Hello guys. In this video, I explain to you how to put a lock on the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone, as WhatsApp allows you to use the application lock as an additional security measure, and when you run WhatsApp, you will have to use your fingerprint or face recognition to unlock the application. To use this feature, you will need to set up biometrics such as fingerprint or face recognition in your phone settings. And I will explain to you how to use App Lock on WhatsApp step by step. First, open the WhatsApp application. Click on the three main horizontal dots, and from there click on Settings. From the WhatsApp settings page, tap on Privacy. Then, scroll down and tap on App Lock. And now turn on Unlock with Biometric. You will now be asked to enter your fingerprints or face recognition to unlock the application. The screen is black because it is not possible to photograph or record the moment you enter the fingerprint for more security and privacy. After touching the fingerprint sensor or scanning your face to confirm, you can select the length of time before fingerprint authentication is required when you open the app. Immediately, after a minute, or after 30 minutes. Immediately is definitely the best option. The last option is show content and notifications if you want to preview the message text inside the new message notifications. Select the option as you like. With these steps, you have completed setting up App Lock on WhatsApp, and you can now close the app. Once you open the app at any time, you will be asked to use your fingerprint or face recognition to unlock the app. The WhatsApp app will never open until you enter your fingerprint. And to stop WhatsApp lock, go to Privacy, then open App Lock, and turn off Biometric Unlock. App Lock is only available on Android devices that have a fingerprint sensor and support Google's Fingerprint. Thank you for watching. I hope the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.